Hi, I'm Gemma. Welcome to the Create Studio channel. Today we are going to make DIY face masks with just a couple things you have around the house. Let's get started. We're going to need 2 rubber bands or hair ties if you have them, and then a scarf. You can use a bandana, a regular scarf, or a piece of fabric that you cut into a square with parent permission, and then we'll get started. Okay, I'm taking my scarf and I'm opening it up, and then I'm going to fold it in half. So it's all halved. And our folds don't have to be exact. My scarf has been around my neck, so it's got the shape of that style. And then after we get it in half, we're going to fold that half in half again. So now we have kind of a long rectangle. And then we're going to turn our rectangle so that the folded edge side that we have is facing us. And then we're going to take our 2 rubber bands or hair bands, and we're going to attach them by wrapping them through or looping them through our hair scarf or scarf. So there we go. You could use a hair scarf. Okay. And we go that way. We want to use a fabric that's not too big because we're going to be folding it up and then wearing it on your face, so you don't want it to be too much. So now I have my 2 rubber bands on my scarf like this. And then I'm going to take the end of my scarf and I'm just going to fold the end up like that. And I'm going to fold it over just so it's going into the middle. So I just folded it. And then I'm going to do the same. I'm going to fold this over and then fold it in on top. So I have these pieces overlapping, but I'm going to take one of my ends and I'm going to tuck it inside the other folded piece of scarf, because that just helps hold everything in place while you're getting ready to wear it. And then I have my rubber band on the ends and I'm ready to wear my mask. You're wrapped around your ears and you're all covered. This is such an easy project to do at home. You can get your Girl Scout friends, your Guy Scout friends, everybody can get together from your own homes and make them, and perhaps you can do it as a community service project to help seniors at senior living centers and people that need to go grocery shopping and things like that. So you can also buy bandanas online, of course, and look again for the resources out there about COVID-19 and the best ways to protect yourself. But a mask is a great way to get started. Have a great day.